Hello everyone, I'm back with my new invention. This is my new idea, which I made by combining a previous invention with the gravity of the Earth by a pendulum. I show all the steps in each video because there are so many new viewers. Imagine. Welcome to Energy Graph. A magnet has a magnetic energy, but the pendulum has no force of its own, and it can generate significant force by gravity. And the most important thing is if we can produce useful energy from it. And here I want to combine the energy of the magnet with the energy of the gravity by the pendulum. And the pendulum is supposed to help the magnetic energy to pass the magnet through the locking area. Let's go check it out. And before you see it, be sure to write in the comments whether it works or doesn't work. And here are two iron weights that I will use one of first. Okay, all right. I'm gonna test it. You can't see. I do not push the pendulum at all. Just release slowly. You can see. Well, it does a full turn, but cannot pass the lock area. Maybe it needs more weight. I add a second weight to it. Okay. Can't see. I never push. Okay. Now we change the position of the pendulum. Let's try to pass the lock area. Next position. Maybe a little push. It seems that it has different function and different situation. We did this experiment too. It's true that it did not work. But with this experiment, I came up with a new idea about the pendulum. I will try to upload the animation of my new idea for pendulum in the next few days. And finally, jump into the comment, let me know if you like this video. Be sure to check out one of the ones I will link it through here. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification. As always, I'd like to thank all of you for watching. I will see you in the next one.